Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and now let's learn how to work with slicers, and this is now section 6. So within slicers we have text slicers, date slicers, and we also want to know how to format slicers. So let me take you to Power BI desktop, and then we'll start with the text slicers. But before we use a slicer, you must have a visual to slice. So let's create maybe 2 visuals, one where we can use slicers. So we'll create a simple column chart. So here we'll use we'll drag region and drop under axis, and then I'll drag sales amount and drop under values. And then let me try to make it much clearer. So I will use black color in the axis, and then the font color will make it to be 11. And then let me try to add the double labels, then make them black as well, and then increase the font size to 10. So this is our simple column chart. Let me just try to minimize this filter screen, and then now I need to do another filter for clustered column chart. So I will click on this clustered column chart icon, and then I will drag let me drag country and drop under axis. Then I will drag date, drop under legend, and the date I need the date in terms of hierarchy, and then I will drag gross margin and drop under values. Okay. Then let me try to copy the formatting for the upper one and paint on this one for clustered column chart. So now I want to use a slicer to analyze my visuals. So I will click on this icon for slicer, and then it is a text slicer. So I want to analyze them in terms of categories. So I'll drag category and drop under field, and then from here now I can choose any category, and it will give me the analysis of the sales amount by region and the gross margin by country. So when I click on accessories and see what I have as sales amount by region and gross margin by country, and here, and then when I click on bikes, I can also see what I have, and when I click on clothing, you can also see what I have. And then again within the slicer, again you can also have hierarchy within the slicer. So again you can still add subcategory here, drag subcategory field and drop under field, and then within now each and every category I can expand on the various subcategory, and now I can choose bike racks within accessories, and you can see the sales and gross margin as well. Then I can also choose bike strands. Then again I can also go to bikes, then I can choose mountain bikes and see and analyze, road bikes and analyze, and then I can also choose caps within clothing, or gloves within clothing, or jersey. And then that's how to use a text slicer, and I hope, ladies and gentlemen, you understood. So let's meet again on the next video when we do a date card or other date slicer.